Hey everybody, what's going on? Want to do a quick recap of the trade that I got in yesterday. So yesterday I got into Microsoft. I bought the 210 call here, the weekly that expires tomorrow. So I bought it on Wednesday. Got out this morning on Thursday. I bought it for 158 with Robinhood. Let's see. Got in here at 158. Bought 10 of them. It was only a $1,500 trade. And I sold it this morning for 190. First thing this morning, had it ready to go as soon as I got in the trade. Actually, yesterday I set up to sell for exactly 20%, and made what is that, 320 bucks. So definitely not a grand slam, but it's profit, and it is a good thing to make money. Let's look at why I got in the trade. So right here, I go to a 15-minute chart for my initial concept of what I'm gonna do. The crossover here is a 13 SMA and a 30 SMA, and this is a daily 13 SMA. And you can see here, this is like Thursday last week actually, and Microsoft is up here at 212, and it fell down when the president tested positive for COVID. Bounced off of this line right here. This is the 13 SMA from the daily chart. Went up, found some resistance at 210, came back down, bounced again, and then yesterday is when I decided to get in because it found resistance here, and it made its way back up to 210 and actually went through it a little bit. But the big thing is that it closed it up near that resistance, which led me to believe that today it would probably crack through it. And you can see today it is well above 210, and it gapped up. So that's why I got in it. What else did I look at? I looked at Tesla. I looked at Apple. I ended up not getting into Tesla primarily because I was gun shy, because I lost some money on Tesla. I lost money right here, man. This whole setup right here was perfect. I was looking for something to run up to like 460, 450 or something, and lost a lot of money. But anyway, so I was gun shy on Tesla. Tesla had a similar crossover on the 15-minute chart, but it also faded away from its resistance. There's resistance here at 430. And Tesla faded away from it towards the end of the day, which made me think that it probably wouldn't do this, but it actually did. And Tesla's options, I think I got a chart up here. Tesla's options actually doubled, man. So like I made that 20%, but if I would have did a similar trade in Tesla, I would have doubled my money. So this closed at like $7. This is the 425 call. It's a weekly that expires on Friday. $7 here, and this morning opened up in this $15 range, so you would have doubled your money overnight, man. I also looked at Apple. I wasn't crazy about Apple. Apple also didn't work with the resistance like I wanted to. So you got 116 right here, and there's resistance at 116. Apple went above it there, but then flirted with it again there, and then yesterday it didn't even get close to it, which led me to believe that it wouldn't in the morning. It did gap up, and there would have been an opportunity to probably at least make 20%, but you can see Apple is back down in this 115.5 range, like struggling there. So glad I didn't get into Apple. And I think I also looked at Etsy. Etsy was at like all-time highs. Let me pull up this daily chart here. So Etsy was at all-time highs, and I was concerned about whether or not it would continue or do a sell-off, and you can see it's doing a sell-off. It did gap up, and there probably was an opportunity to make some decent money, but it started selling off, and that was my concern. So that's why I didn't get into Etsy. If you like the video, make sure you hit subscribe. Definitely hit the like button. You can leave a comment. Also check the description below. There's a link for Robinhood. If you sign up with Robinhood, you'll get free stock, and I will too. All right, peace.